Good morning. It is a little foggy out there. It's not cold though. It's nice. Beautiful. I'm not impressed. Well, you try to get out there. I'd love to see that. It's like, okay, I will. It is time for me to go. Head to a new destination. I've been here for a few days, and after a few days, as beautiful as it is, I start to get a little antsy. So, I don't know where I'm going yet. I know where I need to be soon, but I don't know where I'm going yet. But I need to go do laundry and get a couple grocery items, and then I'll know when I get there. All right, let's go. It's hard to say goodbye, but our time has come to an end. All right, let's go. Carpinteria Salt Marsh Nature Park. Let's go check it out. Okay, let's see if we can find any birds. Coastal scrub habitat. Look at it. I thought she would be more colorful. Are you Anna's hummingbird? Oh, look at you. Slow down. Slow down. Are you the Anna's hummingbird? I've never been over in this area because they don't allow dogs, so I was never able to walk this because I had Roxy. So I decided to take a walk. This is the marsh area, protected area for birds. It's a little windy, so I don't know if you'll hear me. But it's just little trails, you know, on the side here. Kind of a bird sanctuary. You can hear them at nighttime. Oh my gosh, I stayed here and you can hear the birds making all kinds of noise at night. I'm like, what is that? And then I remembered where I was. Look who's hiding right there. He sees me and he's just very leery. I think he's going fishing. He's getting his dinner. This is really nice. Little areas just to sit down if you want, but I think it circles around the whole place. We'll see. Stay on the trail. All right, guys, no swimming here, no diving, no fishing. No, no, no. Let's stay on the trail. Wonder where it goes to. Stay on the trail. Oh, there's another one. All these swallows too. And the ducks. What was that? Was that a duck or a fish that jumped? Oh, did you see that? Oh, I don't think I caught it. I think they're fish jumping. Yeah, they are. They're jumping fish. Okay, for sure, these are jumping fish. I just saw 2 more. They're over here. See if we can catch one. There we go. Happy fish in Carpinteria. Oh, they're flying up to get the bugs, I bet you. All right, let's go back. Here comes the train. This is such a beautiful community. I would love to have one of these. They're all like maintained really nice. It's like I hear this every day. Look how still he is. Only thing that's moving is his feathers on his head. Look at that one feather on his head just moving. That's it. I think he's asleep. Looks like a statue. Still there. Yeah, those houses are really neat.